welcome to Yemizkitchen, where we cook all African recipe, African flavor, African menu with all American ingredients. My name is Yemi, I'm your hostess, I am your host, and I'm your chef. This is just, I've been cooking this for a while and you're seeing it, but I'm formally introducing you and welcoming you to Yemizkitchen. This I've been vlogging for a while. I love to cook. Cooking is my passion. I love to experiment with different palates, different culture. I love the umami-ness of food and food cooking. I love food, I love cooking. And cooking is a passion for me. My goal in Yemizkitchen is to make African cooking accessible, beautiful, without losing the integrity. And I want it to be for the young population, for them to be able to cook this in a short time. African food generally is a longer time to cook. Not only that, I want us to have fun doing it. So welcome to Yemizkitchen. You know, I always tell you, be happy and do you in anything you do. Besides that, I would like you to follow me on all my social media. On YouTube, I am known as Yemizkitchen.com. On my IG, Yemiz.kitchen. On Facebook, Yemizkitchen. On my website, www.Yemizkitchen. And just follow on TikTok, Yemizkitchen. Just follow me on my social media. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I love you so much. Don't forget, be happy. Happiness is choice. Choose to be happy today. See you in my episode. Love you. Check in.